right, now we get to free response 2, and we asked you to skip C and D, which is really nice because those are pretty nasty. So the only things we're working on here is a left-hand Riemann sum of this table. So if we, again, sometimes it's helpful just to draw it out. At 0, we're at 50.3. And then at 2, we're at 14.4. At 5, we're at 6.5. And then at 10, we're at 2.9. So again, it sometimes just helps to see what we're doing here. 5 to 7, and we're not going to use that. So again, that's why it's sometimes helpful. Sometimes you'll use a number that you didn't intend to. Now we're using left hand, so between 0 and 2, we're using the 0 mark. 50.3 times 2 would be 100.6. Between 2 and 5, we're using the 2, so 14.4 times 3 would be 22843.2. And then between 5 and 10, we're using the 5, so 6.5 times 5 would be 32.5. Then we add those up, 100.6 plus 43.2 plus 32.5 should give us 3, carry the 1, 776.3 cubic feet. All right. So as far as, for the AP grader, you may want to show 50.3 times 2 and then this. I don't think they would get too crazy about it, but if you wanted to just be safe on that. They gave you 1 point for doing the Riemann sum, 1 point for the answer, and 1 point for the correct units on that. So again, a lot of points there that are pretty easy to get. And then part B just says, does this approximation, is it an over or an under? So we're using left hand on a decreasing function. So it's easy to see that it's going to be an overestimate, but remember they're really picky on how you define it. So for part B, we would say this is an overestimate because A of H is a decreasing function. So they want to see that you understand it's because of the decreasing nature of the function that makes this an overestimate. If you said that, you got another point. And that's all there was for that one today.